Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Beyond our best overall pick, one of the best dual sensor smoke detectors out there is the Kidde hardwire smoke detector with ionization, photoelectric dual sensors. The alarm itself operates at 85 decibels, and users say this unit is easy to install and a good value for a dual sensor product.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Smoke alarms have a limited lifespan. The National Fire Protection Association, NFPA, recommends every smoke alarm be replaced after 10 years and that regular batteries be replaced every 6 months. With 10-year sealed battery alarms, battery replacements and late-night battery chirps are eliminated for a decade.
Let's help you make your mark.
False alarms are most commonly caused by something interfering with the sensor. To clean, after disconnecting the alarm and removing any removable battery, hold the unit by its edge and thoroughly blow through the gap on the side of the unit with compressed air, like keyboard cleaner.
Make your mark, take our lead.
They are hardwired into our electrical system, but that doesn't mean you need an electrician to replace them. Modern hardwired smoke detectors don't have wires in the back that need to be connected to loose wires in the ceiling. This connection makes it simple to replace bad or old smoke detectors with new ones.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.